Welcome to the Spring Equinox. This is the time where the two sides, coming out of winter, moving into spring, start to unify. That bridge in between, that is the diamond of the heart. When you open the heart, that is that space, bringing and emerging kind of the pain, the trauma, everything that's come up, especially when that last lunar eclipse we had. Things are still coming up and out of people. People have been sick because they're trying to process grief, emotions. And then now we have this spring where when you have and you bring light into those darkest parts of you, now you have the ability to create something new where you use that fuel of the old. Maybe it was hidden, locked away deep down inside, but once emerged in the light, you can come alive. You have more energy to do so, more flow, the freedom, and that space in between is where you oscillate. That 0 point is that love, light, and grace. I was at my dad's tea party this weekend, and what's great about parents getting older, it's 86, is now they have access to their long-term memories where they didn't speak about things that were traumatic that happened in my brother and my childhood. And now they have access to it. Now they're going to speak about it, and it's going to come out randomly when we almost died and things that they've never said. But the beauty of that trauma coming up and out is they brought it to light. And then I have a recollection of it, but the celebrating of the beauty of it coming to light, accessing the fuel to create something new. So in the time, be in that space in between, because in this space you may feel this newness coming. Everyone feels their new projects, and I see the new coming out in you, the creativity of what you're creating from the past traumas, the darkness, the chaos. And you can feel joy, you can feel that wounding, that fear, but when you drop into the heart, be right there, because that is the eternal. That is the balance point. That is that space in between where the vertical comes into your heart, opens it, and brings you into your new dream. So on this equinox day, I am seeing all of you growing and thriving, moving up to the sun, filling up and connecting to nature. Get out in nature, because as we celebrate her, we are celebrating the embodiment of God in all of us, that God is embodying us and embodying our new projects as they come into life and form. Let your creations be born. Check out my book, From Chaos to Creativity, and learn how to access these dark aspects within you to create and move forward. Because there's one thing God can do. God can create, and nature in you. When you open your heart, that creativity comes in and through. Love you.